This is the Mussar lesson of Parashat Bereishit. We know the Parasha of Bereishit starts with bet. The Parashim asks, how come the Parasha starts with their bet? How come bet, not olive? Hamim tell us, bet is brach, it's blessing. HaKadosh Baruch Hu started his creation with blessing. Now, what does that mean? Practically, it means to say, every person, everybody, every neshama is full of blessing. Full of blessing of Torah, full of blessing of creation. Now, what do we have to do in this world? We have to express and bring out that blessing of life. That's the perspective of creation. Somebody who has faith to the creation of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, who has faith that Hashem created the world in 6 days and he rested on Shabbat, that expresses itself in a fact of understanding that life of a person, a Jew, is full of blessings. When we look at our children, every child is full of blessing. When we look at husband is full of blessing, wife full of blessing. Even mother-in-law is full of blessing. Your rabbi is full of blessing. Your friends, neighbor. What's my job to do? What should I do? I should take it out to express that blessings, to see how could we get it out. Now, the Persian says, Bet stands for Bayit. Bayit means home, house. Now, we have 3 houses in Torah. One house, we have home, Bayit, we marry, and we make a family. One house is Bet HaKnesset, the place that we relate to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And then we have Bayit Bet HaMidrash, the place that we learn Torah. The bet of Bereishit, the bet has 3 lines. Each line represents one Bayit. There is 2 vertical lines and 1 horizontal. 2 vertical lines, one is Bayit, is Bet HaKnesset. We relate with HaKadosh Baruch Hu. We make our relationship with Hashem. Davening and praying means we go to the source of our existence and we talk to him. We express, we acknowledge you are the source of our life and we want you to give us beracha and blessing. Then another Bayit, vertical, it's home. We relate to your wife to make a harmonious home, to complete each other, to make each other more perfect with bringing out the potential of each other. And there is one line in Bayit, horizontal. That is Bet HaMidrash. What happens in Bet HaMidrash? In Bet HaMidrash, you relate to yourself. You discover your own inner kochot. And that horizontal line of Bayit connects these 2, gives power, gives energy. When a person learns Torah, HaKadosh Baruch Hu created the world in a way that when a person learns Torah, discovers his inner blessing, then that generates power for his home, how to deal with his wife, and that creates power how to deal with HaKadosh Baruch Hu, how to daven and pray better. And the hashlama, the completion of a person comes with 3 bottom. Bet HaKnesset, Bet Bayit, and Bet HaMidrash. And the source of Hatzlacha is in having a connection with yourself that happens only through Torah HaKadosh. B'tzad Hashem, we should start this Parashat Bereishit, beginning of the Sefer Torah, Hatzlacha, and Yeshua for all the Hal Israel.